my channel. My name is Sélah. I'm a Michigan blogger and YouTuber. I know I sound a little bit sick, but that's because I am, but today I'm pushing through a little bit. I just have like a cold. I've had one all week and it didn't help that I worked all week, so I didn't rest much. But today it's Sunday, so we're gonna make a point to go to the cider mill before we run errands and stuff. I just wanna try to have like a boozy slush apple cider type drink at the cider mill by our house, so I'm excited to try that and see the animals, of course. So if you guys want to come along with us for a day at the cider mill, then please keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos. I would love to have you as a part of the family, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And let's head to the cider mill for this beautiful fall day.
Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up?
You got your turkey leg watching Lions game? We're sitting here waiting on a rock because it's a 2-hour wait to eat. So we're eating a turkey leg. Well, Sundays at the cider mill when it's nice out are not the move.
In October in Michigan.
Yeah, so we left.
Yeah.
I was too hungry to wait any longer for the food. They said we still had another hour and a half. And we didn't see the animals and I didn't get to slush, but we can always go back on like a Monday. Don't come on a Sunday. So now we're gonna get crazy and go grocery shopping. Woo! And I'm gonna make like a good chicken pot pie bake like fall dish, so I'll show you guys how I make that. And then we're just gonna stay in and you're probably gonna watch football. So that's what we're doing on this fall Sunday.
In Michigan.
So for this recipe, I'm gonna start by spraying my casserole dish and then adding all my ingredients to a bowl, including the rotisserie chicken, garlic, frozen peas and carrots, and 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. And I will have this exact recipe that I use linked down below in the description box. But after I add all the ingredients to the bowl, I'm basically just going to mix. I also added salt and pepper to taste, and then basically just mixed it all together, including mozzarella and cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of shredded cheese that you want. But after I was done mixing that, I just put it all into a casserole dish, and this recipe is super easy. Me and my fiance absolutely loved it. Alright, so now that I mixed everything together, I'm going to put this into the baking dish, and then we're going to top it with biscuits. A thick mixture. And I used more chicken than you're supposed to. And more cheese. Get every last bit.
So irreplaceable, and everybody knows so well.
Now we're just placing the biscuits that I cut up on top, and then I'm going to drizzle it with butter.
To you, but I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you
This looks so good.
I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination
Scale of 1 to 10.
is chasing
A what?
after
10? Are you just saying that to be nice?
so much on cloud nine.
So Before I end this vlog, I just want to share with you guys the book that I've been reading. So I started reading It Ends With Us, and so many people have hyped up this book, whether it be on TikTok, YouTube. I've literally seen this book everywhere, and I'm sure you guys have too. But let me know down below in the comments if you guys feel like I do so far. I'm already almost like 150 pages in, and I just don't really see the hype. I don't really love the guy main character or even the girl main character, if you will. So I hope it gets better, but so far I just don't see the hype. Let me know if you guys feel the same, because I mean, this book has been so hyped up that they're even coming out with a movie of it, and I just so far don't get it unless it gets better and blows me away. I don't know, but so far I'm not really understanding. But anyways, we are actually getting ready to go out because one of Ryan's groomsmen is in town from Arizona, so we're gonna go meet up with them, or him and some of the groomsmen as well. So that's what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this little fall Sunday in my life. I know this was a short vlog, but also I wanted to just reach out to you guys and say that I love chatting with you guys. So whether you message me on Instagram or comment down below and ask me anything, I respond to everyone. So feel free to comment. I really would like to engage with you guys more, so feel free to comment or message me on Instagram for any questions or comments. I love you guys. I hope you have an incredible week, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.
Saddest day